another video, man. Hey, it's Luke Kang, man. Luke Kang's Kicks, man. I appreciate y'all, man. I got something special for y'all today, man. How we coming? How we coming today? Boom. Man, y'all know what's up in here, though?
Jordan trying to fake Bird, can't do it. Hits the jumper, but Bird played pretty well defensively against Jordan there. Michael Jordan has 8 points and is the game high score.
Early today. It's my first early unboxing video I done never did. It's my first shoe that I done never got early, man. So I'm juiced. I'm hyped right now, man. Hey, before we get into this video, though, man, if y'all don't know, if y'all new to the channel, man, hit that button for your boy, okay? Hit that button for your boy, man. All right? Let's get into these, man. You know, little new setup behind me. You know, I'm working on that, trying to get all of that, you know. I just couldn't help myself, though, man, to keep it solid. Keep it 100, man. I couldn't help myself. I wanted to wait till later to do this, get a couple more things. And I'm like, nah, man, I can't wait. And I don't want to make y'all wait. You know what I mean? So let's get these things open, man. You already know what we're going to do. We're going to open them up. We're going to talk about it, man. We're going to have a good time, man. Let's get it done. Luke Kang. All right? Ooh, the cutter's out. One time for the one time. Ooh, crispy top right there. Get into that. Never hit the shoes on an unbox, though. Never hit the shoes. One more time. One more time. Right there. Right there. We good. We good. Ooh. Ooh. Can I smell them through the wrapper, though? I know that these is gonna smell, man, because all of these smell. Ooh. Ooh. I'm a little nervous about the box, too, but I see I don't think it's that bad. Woo! What we got in here, boy? Ooh, they heavy, too. They heavy, too, man. Y'all know what this is right now. Y'all know when y'all see this box, man, what these are, all right? Air Jordan, Retro 1, Turbo Rage Greens. Woo! Ooh, let's get these things open, man. Pop that lid off of them. Ooh. Ooh. Oh, my God. Ooh, these is crispy. Woo-hoo-hoo. Get these things out. Do you see them? Do you see them? Man, look at these boys. Ooh, they hard in person, man. Man, look at that. Got that bottom look on there. That icy bottom on the ones. Multicolored. Man, come on, man. Come on, man. These is hard, man. I would sacrifice a pair of ones for these right here, man. The suede on these is plush. It's thick. Ooh, it's nice, man. Let me get this other one up out of here, man. I did cop these from the GOAT. You know what I mean? Man. Look at these boys right here, man. Look at that. Bam, bam, bam. All right, man. You know, hey, let's get into it, man. You know, my GOAT things, man. You know, I didn't get to show y'all on the last one, man, but GOAT been quality checking, you know. So they've been like punching holes, going through, you know, checking laces, checking sizes, you know. They ain't paying me or nothing like that, you know what I mean, to hype them up or, you know, give them nothing. But, I mean, at least, you know, they up over there doing their thing, man. All right? Man, let's get into the shoe, though, one time, man. So, look. Right here on the sides, we got the suede on them, okay? We got the thick. We got a reflective. We got a 3M Nike check right here, all right? The leather on these is not bad, man. It's not bad. It's pretty soft. It's pretty soft, man. You know, like I said, we got that thick. It's a real thick suede, man. Let me get it close so y'all can see it, man. It's real thick, all right? It's thick, man. These will keep you warm in the wintertime. Now we get into the laces. So we got the green eyelids on the laces, man. That's another thing that I'm feeling about it, man. Special edition with the zooms, man. They got a thin pocket of air in the midsole, man. You can't see them, though, from the bottom. You know, it's inside. It's going to be at the bottoms right here. So, yeah, man, this ain't going to be a long one, man. Zoom Air. We got the Zoom Air right there on the tongue. Boom. You know? Classic shoe, man. Very classic shoe. We got a Zoom right here too, which y'all can see. Y'all see that right there? And then we also got this stitching right here. We got two green stitches right there, man, for y'all. Hey, hard, man. Very nice shoe, man. Hey, I appreciate all of y'all, man, that's been rocking with me this far, man. If y'all like the video, man, hit that subscribe button for your boy, man. Until next time, man, I'm gonna be right back at y'all one time, man. My first early look, early unboxing on them, okay? Y'all smash that thumbs up, man. Tell me what y'all think in that comment box, man. All right? It's Luke Kang. It's Luke Kang Kicks, man.